If you're working out, trying to eat right, but the muscle just isn't showing up. It's frustrating. You feel like you're spinning your wheels, stuck in the same place, and honestly, you're tired of all the conflicting advice online. What if the secrets aren't secrets at all, but pillars you're just missing? Welcome to Levitas. Today, we are cutting through all the noise. We're going to give you the 6 non-negotiable pillars of muscle growth, all backed by clinical science. And we are going to finally answer the biggest question: when should you actually start spending your money on supplements? But first, I have a question for you. What's the #1 muscle building myth you are tired of hearing? Let us know in the comments, and while you're down there, please give this video a like. It's a small click for you, but it massively helps the channel. Pillar number 1. Alright, let's get right into the stimulus. Most people think this is just lifting weights. But it's more specific than that. The real driver of muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is mechanical tension. Think of it this way: your body is an adaptation machine. It doesn't want to build muscle, because muscle is metabolically expensive. You have to give it a reason to build. You have to threaten it with a load it's not used to. When you put that heavy force on a muscle, you're creating mechanical tension. This signals to the muscle cells that they need to get stronger and bigger to survive this threat in the future. While you've probably heard about muscle damage or the pump, a foundational 2010 review by Dr. Brad Schoenfeld in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research really clarified this. It identified that while damage and stress play a role, mechanical tension is the single most important factor that drives muscle growth. So, you don't just need to move weight, you need to challenge your muscles with it. Which leads perfectly to pillar number 2. So, you challenged your muscles. They adapted. They got a little stronger. Now what? If you go into the gym and lift the same weight, for the same reps, for the next 5 years, you will look the same. Your body has no new reason to adapt. This is where progressive overload comes in. This is the architect of your new physique. It's a simple concept: you must systematically increase the demand on your muscles over time. This doesn't just mean adding more weight to the bar, though that's the most common way. It can also mean doing more reps with the same weight, doing more sets of that exercise, decreasing your rest times between sets, or even just improving your form and range of motion with the same weight. This isn't just a theory, it's a proven principle. A large 2019 review, also from Schoenfeld and his colleagues, confirmed a clear dose-response relationship between training volume, which is a key component of overload, and muscle hypertrophy. In simple terms, those who gradually did more over time, saw more results. Your body doesn't build muscle by accident. You have to plan for it. Pillar number 3. Okay, you've created the stimulus with tension, and you have a plan with progressive overload. You've basically placed an order for new muscle. Now, you have to supply the building blocks. That is protein. Muscles are, at their core, made of protein. Every time you train, you're breaking down old protein. To grow, you must build more protein than you broke down. This is called muscle protein synthesis. You need to be in a positive protein balance. So, how much? The old recommendations were too low. The science is now very clearer. A 2022 meta-analysis published in the journal Sports Medicine looked at all the data and found that for maximizing muscle growth, the benefits tend to plateau right around 1.5 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Here at Dr. Levitas, the clinical recommendation for active individuals is a slightly wider, safe range, 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram, or roughly 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. This ensures you have more than enough bricks on site, ready for the construction crew to get to work. Pillar number 4. This is the pillar that many people, especially those afraid of gaining fat, try to skip. but you can't. You need a positive energy balance or a slight calorie surplus. Let's stick with our house analogy. The protein is the bricks. The calories are the paycheck for the construction crew. Building muscle is an anabolic process, meaning to build up, it is incredibly energy intensive. Your body will not, and cannot, spend that precious energy building new muscle if it's in a state of panic or scarcity, which is what a calorie deficit is. We need to be clear, this is not an excuse to dirty bulk and eat everything in sight. We're talking about fueling your body, not stuffing it. A 2019 review by Cruel and Peach reinforced that this positive energy balance is fundamental. For most people, a modest, controlled surplus of just 250 to 500 calories over your maintenance level is the clinical starting point. It's just enough to pay the construction crew without having a massive surplus left over. Pillar number 5. This is it. This is the single most underrated, yet most powerful, pillar of them all: sleep. Let me be as clear as I can be. You do not build muscle in the gym. You break down muscle in the gym. You build it back, stronger, when you are resting. And the most potent form of rest is deep, restorative sleep. During sleep, your body is in full-on repair mode. It releases human growth hormone. It dials muscle protein synthesis all the way up. It's when the construction crew we've been talking about actually does all the work. Don't believe me? Let's look at the science. A shocking 2021 study looked at what happens after just one single night of acute sleep deprivation. The results were devastating for anyone trying to build muscle. After just one bad night, participants saw a reduction in muscle protein synthesis by 18%, a spike in cortisol, the muscle breakdown hormone, and a drop in testosterone, a key muscle building hormone. You are literally working against yourself if you train hard and then don't sleep. You are putting the gas and the brake on at the same time. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is not a luxury, it's a non-negotiable part of your training program. Pillar number 6. Okay, you've got your training, your nutrition, and your sleep dialed in. Now we can talk about the final element, supplements. This is where we answer the big question: when do I start? I'm going to break this down for the two most common supplements, protein powder and creatine. When should you start taking protein powder? The answer is simple: the day you failed to hit your protein goal with whole foods. That's it. A protein shake is not magic. It is, quite literally, just food. It's a supplement to your diet. If you can hit your protein goal, that 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram we talked about, by eating chicken, beef, fish, tofu, beans, and yogurt, then you do not need protein powder. But, for many people, that's a lot of food. A protein shake is simply a convenient, cost-effective, and low-calorie way to hit your numbers. What about when to drink it? That anabolic window? A 2018 meta-analysis from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition blew this myth up. It found the window of opportunity is huge, likely 4 to 6 hours around your workout, or maybe even longer. What matters is your total daily protein intake. Stop stressing about slamming a shake 30 seconds after your last representative now, creatine. This is one of the most studied, safest, and most effective supplements on the planet. It works by helping your muscles regenerate energy during short, intense bursts of effort. This lets you get 1 or 2 extra reps, which, as we learned, adds up to better progressive overload. So, when should you start? Our clinical advice: after you have been 100% consistent with the other 5 pillars for at least 3 to 6 months. Why? Because creatine is an optimizer, it is not a foundation. It is the 5% on top. If your sleep is terrible, your protein is low, and your training is inconsistent, creatine is a total waste of money. you are majoring in the minors. But, if you have that solid foundation and you've hit your first plateau, creatine is a fantastic tool. A 2021 review confirmed what we've known for years: the key is consistency, not timing. Just take 5 grams of creatine monohydrate every single day. It doesn't matter if it's before or after your workout. The goal is to saturate your muscles over time. So, what's the doctor's verdict on all this? Here it is: the 5 pillars: stimulus, progressive overload, protein, calories, and sleep, are 90 to 95% of your results. They are the non-negotiable foundation of a strong, healthy body. Supplements are the 5 to 10% you add after that foundation is rock solid. Don't waste your time, money, and mental energy on the 5% if you haven't mastered the 95%. Master the fundamentals, and the results will come. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.